What?
My brother just gone because he said
Here he comes.
he is here.
Yeah, yo. So today's vlog was just Major Big chilling. We got the Cardo, a basic communication system in our helmets. Me and my homeboy, since we're gonna be doing primary riding, that's actually pretty cool being able to talk freely amongst each other while we're riding and then transfer back to music. But being in this back road, we usually lose signal. When you're jamming, we're not huge talkers when we're riding. Listening to a little bit of music is cool, but when we need to, when we have the opportunity, if we just want to relay a little bit of information, it's always cool to just hit the intercom button and chop it up. So that was a dope addition. It kind of makes everything now feel like a gaming online lobby. It's pretty dope. Some technological advances can be distracting while riding, but this one here is pretty dope.
Yeah, probably so.
He caught us. This dude didn't need no man breaks.
Hey, man. What's up, man?
Oh, yeah, bro.
Jay.
That was bad.
Huh?
That was bad.
I like you.
What was that?
That was bad. Thank you.
What's up? What's up with it, man?
Yeah.
Got a car in your ass.
Hey, we just cruising.
Yeah, just
You
cruising.
see,
Huh?
you see no full leathers
Yeah,
together,
we didn't
right?
have leathers.
Just cruising. Just cruising my ass.
Cruising.
Just cruising. Okay. You got a fucking old man fucking on your ass.
That's what it's supposed to be.
Look at that.
Squinting.
Alright, guys.
All right, you out here?
Dinner.
Yeah, I feel that.
We'll see you next weekend.
Yeah, we'll be back
here.
I'm out here all the
I
time.
know.
This
We'll
old man's
catch you.
out here all the time.
We will catch you.
Don't fuck me.
I hear that. Big dude was fast.
Yeah.
He was slowing down in the middle of the shit. I looked in the rear view because we got the car though now. I said Civics on us. He said, why you ain't tell me? All right, bud.
Take it easy, brother.
You done made old Blood. He was on our head. I told him when we were leaving, I said, Blood's going to a Civic. I was like, he going.
Oh, y'all drove past?
Because we were at that rest area for a second. Like, Blood's going to a Civic. He gonna try and chase us down.
I know, and
I wasn't even sure. No, I didn't know he was back. I thought he was going to say something. I didn't see him till we got right here. I saw a flash of it in the mirror. I saw a white car. And he said it.
That's right about where he caught us on, like when you went wide on that one and said, oh shit. You start slowing down. That's where I kind of started seeing him, and then you picked the pace up again, and then you dropped it substantially again. I was like, it's all
I was
dude.
just fucking around. I didn't. If he had said,
No, I know.
Yeah,
I don't care about old dude.
nigga back there, I wouldn't have went crazy, but I would have kicked it up a little bit.
Oh yeah. Don't worry about it. So we was pretty much chilling in the back roads. As you can see, I wasn't like really pushing the pace. My boy wasn't pushing the pace. Old dude was out there again in the white Civic, and he really ran down on us, and he thought he was pushing us or something. You could tell by his conversation, but you see, he was only in first gear. Now, speaking on first gear, look at first gear. Watch how fast it can go. Said 100 miles an hour on the limiter. Typically, I've done, without bouncing the limiter, 97 to 95 miles an hour. That's where this bike lives at. It's real comfortable in the back roads because all I gotta do is just stay in first. And this son of a bitch be getting it. You know, old dude thought he was doing something. I don't care to argue about speed or pace. But we were just in the back road testing out Jay. He got his new master cylinder, and he just wanted to see if it worked, you know, how good the settings worked on braking and things like that. So that's what we were out there testing, but we're done testing. I hope the bike content has been entertaining. I hope everybody's been enjoying themselves, because we've been enjoying ourselves. Y'all know what time it is, right? Wheelie time! Yeah, I hope y'all enjoy these vlogs, and I'm gonna come back with you with some more content here in a little bit. I'm gonna check y'all out.